Simplify. Let's look at some special situations that we can arise with fractions, and these are good to know. This will help us kind of in the long run. So this first one here, we've got 0 divided by 12. Well, 0 divided by 12 is going to equal to 0. And actually, it's good to remember that 0 divided by any number, so 0 divided by any number, is always 0. Alright, and then our next example here, this is actually a number divided by itself, and this is what I like to call a special form of 1. Alright, so any number divided by itself is always 1. So any number divided by itself is always 1. So 17 divided by 17 is going to equal to 1. Alright, on this next example here, we want to simplify the numerator first and then the denominator. Well, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 10 minus 9 is 1. And so here's another kind of special circumstance. Any number divided by 1 is itself. Right, any number divided by 1 is itself. So 8 divided by 1 is just going to be 8. Alright, 41 here. Again, that's any number divided by itself is 1. So 41 over 41, that's just going to be 1. Alright, and then our last example here, this one is an important one to always remember. Any number divided by 0. So any number divided by 0 is always undefined. Okay, and we talked about this with fractions, that fractions are taking a certain number of parts and doing it over a whole. And so if we have 372 parts and we're splitting that in 0, well, we can't put this kind of into 0 baskets, right? We can't split up that 375 into 0 parts. So this actual operation here would be undefined.